Hi, Santosh and Eric. I wanted to show you what the real problem is that we're having with respect to statcrunch. And it's not the question help. We know how to do that. What it is when you have a problem like this one that has data, and although this is not that much data, some of the problems have a table that may have 20 or 30 data pieces in it. And when you're doing homework, if you click on the little icon there, you get these options to open the data directly in statcrunch, copy to the clipboard, or open in Excel. And students get used to just clicking on open in statcrunch, and if they do that, the data is preloaded in there. And again, this particular problem doesn't have that much data, but when students have to manually key in the data, type in the data, they're subject to making errors, and of course it takes time. Let me close this, then I'll show you what it looks like on a quiz. Here is a quiz, and in this case, we've got the little icon again, but if I click on the icon, I only get two options: open to clipboard, open to Excel. I no longer get the option in quizzes or on the exam to open the data into statcrunch. And in this one in particular, you see it's a fair amount of data, so that's quite a bit of keying time for a student. And again, they're prone to make key punch errors, which I think it's frustrating to a student that Pearson recommends statcrunch, builds statcrunch into the homework, but yet removes it on quizzes. So, and again, they can manually, like I showed in that workaround video, navigate to statcrunch.com, copy to the clipboard, and paste, and hopefully they'll be using that. But again, it's a little bit frustrating for them to see one thing when they're doing homework and then not have that same option when they're doing quizzes. So I hope this communicates what I see the problem is.